It looks like I found the cause of the problem, or at the very least one of the problems. This is all there is, or was, to the oil pressure relief valve. There's no spring, no shims, it's just more or less empty. That was in there. That was in there. That was on there. And those were on there. That's it. So, I'm imagining that means it was relieving the pressure constantly. In other words, there was no pressure. So, how bloody stupid do I feel? When I got this bike, being generally pretty careful about this sort of thing, I dropped the sump, I emptied the oil, dropped the sump, cleaned the sump out, put a new filter in, put new oil in, and I cut the corner of checking the pressure relief valve. I just assumed, like an idiot, that they're such simple things, they don't go wrong, there's nothing. I just cut that little corner, not take it off, not clean it out, cleaned out the sump really carefully, cleaned out the gauze filter, put in a brand new filter, and didn't bloody well check that. How bloody stupid. So yeah, I could have done some horrible damage to my lovely engine just by not checking that. Lesson learned. Hopefully not too late.